Dropsa is an innovator and manufacturer of lubrication solutions to many different markets and industries all over the world. One of our solutions, MQL, or Minimum Quantity Lubrication, allows machine operators to quickly and easily remove water-based coolant from the machining process. This solution can be done either externally, outside of the tool, or for the best results, we can retrofit to machines with through-tool coolant capabilities to allow the aerosol to travel down the spindle and lubricate the tool as it cuts. The end results can be extended tool life, improved cycle times, a clean, safe working environment, clean, dry chips, and improved production off the machine. But don't take our word for it. Here's one of our customers talking about their journey from coolant to Dropsa MQL. Byrnes Manufacturing provides quality machining work for the precision mold, automotive, and aerospace industries. With over 40 years of design, manufacturing, and machining knowledge, Byrnes Manufacturing can facilitate small custom orders and large production runs for their customers. R&D work with special materials are a standard for them, and custom machining is offered for those hard-to-solve applications. Here's what they have to say about their MQL journey.
My name is Bruce Byrnes. I've been involved in the manufacturing trade for over 30 years now. Most of the operations we do drilling, milling, and a lot of 3D surfacing with small tools.
I started at Byrnes in July 2015. I've been a machinist and a programmer for about 10 years.
We machine a proprietary material called NAC 55, which is about a 40 Rockwell steel primarily, and then commercially pure titaniums. We started out in the old days with just brushing oil on cutters on manual machines, and when we went to CNC we went with coolants, and coolants have been a problem ever since we used them.
Coolant is it's a mess mostly.
The problems we've had with coolants is just trying to maintain the concentricity, keep the bacteria level down, and then dealing with the waste coolant when it was no longer usable. That's a very expensive proposition to deal with that. Then you have to deal with the EPA and everything else with that. Recently we got involved with MQL, and it's helped us out tremendously.
Finishing work, it's a lot better, a lot cleaner finishes. The coolant, it tends to want to deflect more because it almost wants to hydroplane on the coolant. But with the oil, there's none of that. You know, if you got a good smog eater, there's no smoke, but with coolant, it melts off and it makes twice as much smoke. Right
now, we're running MQL on Haas machines, and one of our machines came pre-set up for MQL pretty much. All we had to do was add a rotary coupling. All the lines and everything were run through the track, so it was very easy setup. The other one, we had to run our own lines up to the spindle, but still it took less than a day to install them.
Well, I see the benefits, definitely.
The major advantage we have to MQL is the tool life. We run a lot of unattended machining here, and if our tools break during lights out operation, we've lost who knows how many hours of work.
Tool life is much better, probably 50% better in most cases.
Since we went to MQL, we have very few tool breakage, and the tool wear has been reduced to almost nothing. Yeah, one of our projects is a manifold, and there's some 5/16 holes in there that are 8 inches deep. And with MQL, we're able to drill that with a G81, which is no PEX cycle, in 15 seconds. And the hole is perfect. The drill has drilled 500 holes with absolutely no sign of wear.
Yesterday I was able to complete a 400 cavity base plate in an hour and a half using MQL. It was about 8.6 cubic inches of material removed total, and the end mill looked like brand new, much to my surprise. Usually it would have taken me 2 end mills to do that. And if you're running a job where the operator's got to take parts in and out of the machine quickly, you got to blow the part off, wipe it off, clean it all up, box it. But with MQL, it burns off with the cut. So when you pull the part out of the machine, it's dry. It's ready to be boxed. It's all done. There's no extra work.
MQL has done a really good job for us. Tool life is astounding with it. And also our deep hole drilling It is amazing to watch a hole drilled 25 diameters to 1 without any pecking in it. Absolutely no sound or chirping from the drill, and it's just a beautiful hole when you're done.
It's just cleaner, all around cleaner, better in almost every way.
Our focus and goal is to allow customers the ability to easily adapt our products to the needs of their machines and processes.